Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I got something new and cool here today. If you're living like us, we're RV living, and we have this trailer. This is our kind of my shop slash shed, but we're limited on space. We needed a freezer and we need something compact. This is from Newair. It's 5 cubic foot chest type freezer, and I've had Newair stuff, several different things. Newair, man, they just make super good quality stuff. Everything just keeps running. You can tell when you take and look at them, they're quality built. Well, they sent me this freezer to review. I'm not getting paid nothing, but I know it's going to be quality. We're going to unbox this thing. I want to hook it up inside here in the trailer. We'll have a nice place to keep some stuff that's frozen because the refrigerator with the freezer in the RV is just too small. There's just not enough room. This should make a big difference. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. Should be able to just cut the straps and lift this off. Well, they definitely pack stuff good, but I never had no idea they would put a piece of plywood on top, so I'll actually use this for something. That's a good sheet of plywood. They definitely want to protect it when shipping. That's a good idea. I mean, it is packaged good. So how you guys like the green? I think this green really looks good. This is nice. It doesn't tape all this off here. I started to raise the lid, but didn't peel the tape off yet. Got an energy guide here. 215 kilowatt. So $30 a year, yearly energy cost. That's not bad. This thing looks nice. I'll show you inside here in a minute. So I get all this packing stuff off here. They got a package where nothing's gonna bounce around and cause any damage. It does come with a nice basket to put stuff into. LED light right here in the top. And it is lightweight. I'm not sure the weight, but it definitely feels lightweight. So super simple, like any freezer, most of them I've ever dealt with. 110 plug, we're ready to go. By the way, this is also Newair. This is a little mini fridge with refrigerator and freezer on the top. Just not enough freezer space for what we need, but this thing has been great. It's a nice little fridge. Let's get this thing plugged in. That is just a good looking little mini freezer. I love that color. It's got a digital display up here, an adjustment for the temperature. We'll set that and we'll get some stuff put in this thing. Okay, so right now this thing says 99 degrees Fahrenheit. Just because it's been sitting outside in that box and it's super hot outside. It's close to 100 degrees out there, but in that box, pretty warm. Let's see what this thing is set on. It's set on 0 right now. So pretty cool when we open it up. Got a nice LED light, and it lights up nice in here to get things out in the dark. Right here is our manual. This thing does have a drain plug in the bottom. If you can see right down here, there's a hole in the bottom where the drain plug goes. And that's right here in the bag. So we will take the drain plug out and stick it in there. It's nice to have the drain plug when you defrost this thing, or if you get something in there, you can, ice melts, you can drain it out the bottom. If you wash it out, it'd be nice to be able to drain it out, especially on a chest type like this. It's already getting cold. I don't know if you can see it, but there's frost forming on there. It ain't been 5 minutes yet. It's starting to get cold already. Shut that back down so it will. But it's running and the temperature's dropping, and man, this thing it is hot out here and it's cooling down fast. So it shouldn't be long. I can go ahead and throw stuff in there. We got the manual right here. That's probably registration, product registration stuff right there. Let's go ahead and look in this manual. So basically 110 to 20 volt, R600A refrigerant, Rated current 1.2 amp, 60 hertz, 215 kilowatt hour per year, 5 cubic feet. Lowest temperature, minus 14 degrees Fahrenheit. Net weight, 60 pounds. Boy, it don't feel like 60 pounds. It's lightweight. The dimensions of this is 29.7 wide, 22.2 inches deep by 33.3 inches tall. And then we have all of our information you need to know. But pretty simple on this one because you just have a digital readout here, which is cool. And then you can just crank it up and down by pushing the up and down button. It's just that easy. See, it's already 86. It's dropped a lot already, and it's hot in this trailer. So that's pretty impressive. 85. It's going to go down pretty quick. We'll wait a little bit and see. Okay, so to activate the fast freeze mode, it's this button right here. Press it for 3 seconds. There's a little green snowflake right here will come on. We're in fast freeze mode. What the fast freeze mode does, it reduces the time it takes to freeze a large amount of fresh, unfrozen food. The faster food is frozen, the better quality will be when the food is thawed. So you want to, if the stuff is thawed, you want to freeze it fast. In fast freeze mode, the compressor will run for 24 hours and will stop after that period of time, or when the inside temperature drops to minus 18 degrees Fahrenheit. So we get it on fast freeze mode. It should drop pretty quick. You can see the display and this blinking and stuff. It's actually not doing that. That's just the camera messing with it. But it's actually, it says 66 degrees right now with the snowflake, and it's not, none of this is flashing. It just shows it on the video. Okay, to lock this, it has a lock, so if you don't want kids messing around pushing these buttons, you're afraid they're going to push the buttons and change the temperature on you. If you hold these 2 buttons down for 3 seconds, it will go into lock mode, and it makes it where they would have to do the same thing in order to unlock it. Okay, so now it's on minus 18. It's going to run for 24 hours. But we'll wait and see. It's already at 58 degrees and still dropping, and it ain't even been 10 minutes yet. Okay, so I went ahead and it's been about 12 minutes now, looks like. 27 degrees. This thing is dropping like stupid fast. It is cooling fast. I went in and turned off the fast freezing because I don't need it. Everything I'm putting in here out of the other freezer is already frozen, so I don't need the fast freeze. If I was freezing raw meat and wanted to drop fast, I could put it on that, but don't really need that, so I just got it set on 0 right now. But this book has a lot of useful information. It tells you about the food storage basket, about defrosting and draining it, food storage information, some of the suggested safe storage. It tells you how long you can store different things frozen, like chicken and turkey a year. But it's pretty cool. It's got a lot of good information in it. All the settings. It tells you about the fast freeze mode, electrical requirements, unpacking your freezer. Even has a circuit diagram for the wiring on it. But definitely they got a good manual. A lot of companies don't send good manuals. This one's a good one. Okay, so 20 minutes, we're already at 18 degrees. I went ahead and put in our frozen stuff that we had. Not a lot, we still got lots of room. 5 cubic foot is really quite a bit, especially when you're used to having an RV fridge with a little freezer on it and no room. This is a lot of room. This thing's gonna be great. Okay, let's go ahead and measure this thing just so everybody know. I'm sure a lot of people want to know the dimensions of the inside of it. So this way here we have 14 3/4. Side to side we have 23 3/4. And then top to bottom we have 26 inches. Nice. I will keep you updated on this. If there's ever a problem, I know there won't be, because I'm telling you, everything I get from Newair is top notch. So thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up. I will post a link to Newair below and a discount code. Thank you all for watching. Right on.